Remember back in the day in Abertrillo when we used to do this when we were kids, peanut
Absolutely, yeah.
Seems to be a dying tradition, but yeah, certainly not down here. 4 bonfires now. Chunky chips. I should say the famous chunky chips. And I have heard that these have organised this tonight and they've paid a lot towards it as well. Yeah, so fair play to these chunky chips, fair play.
Or penitentiary, more than music is meant to be. So I go in a hand like a century, so I go in a hand like a centipede. I'm a top of the game like a documentary. I'm so sick for them in a dispensary. Feel a dust, that's documentary. I'm a here, making it great here. 2028 is a great year, right to the top, taking it place here.
Yeah, so just arriving back home now. I'm from Aber Valley, Abertrillo. I can relate to the community spirit there at Lansbury tonight and enjoy it. And those fireworks were unbelievable. They were good enough to rival the likes of Caerphilly Castle, yet this wasn't paid for by some big organisation or whatever. It was paid for and organised and set up by the people and the community of Lansbury. I don't think they were celebrating Bonfire night, as I said earlier in the video, in the traditional sense of Guy Fawkes and Parliament. They were just celebrating themselves. They were celebrating Lansbury as a community, and they absolutely smashed